Hey everyone, Jacob from MarineMax Savannah here, and behind me I've got a 2026 Yamaha 255 FSH H. This comes in this very nice light blue color. Below the waterline you got the black, which I think is it's a nice offset, good variation there. It is sitting on upgraded aluminum trailer. Normally these would come on a painted trailer, but you've got this nice aluminum dual axle trailer, which it performs really nicely on the road. So I'll go ahead and bring you back here to the transom and we can go over that. All right, so one of the cool things that Yamaha does is they've got these two brackets right here and right here, and they have these seats that plug into those brackets right there, which allows you to sit right here, right on the transom, right? And you've got the cup holders up here, and it's just overall a nice place to be partially in the water and partially out while getting to enjoy the rest of the boat. The FSH H series has the control for the stereo right here, which is really nice. And obviously you've got the deployable ladder right here. So I'll go ahead and bring you up in the boat. All right, so starting up here in the bow, we've got a nice sizable anchor locker right there, plenty of space for seating. This actually pops out, so if you don't want that in the center, you can pull that out and you can store that. You've got the cushions up here as well. You've got two speakers up front, plenty of cup holders. Yeah, just a great place to relax and spread out. Coming back here, you've got this see-through fish box right here, which is really cool. I like that Yamaha did that. That makes it really nice and kind of interactive. Something that people really like about this boat. I'll go ahead and open this. They've done, it's like a changing station. You know, you could use it for a changing station, or you could store more gear in it. But just overall, a lot of space in there. Yep. There we go. Then I'll bring you over to this side over here. So if you can see that you've got really high gunnels. If you see where that kind of lands on my leg there, this is awesome. If you got little kids aboard and whatnot, you're worried about them falling over, that is no concern with these boats. You've also got rod holders on either side of the boat, so that's really convenient. And you've also got rod holders up here in the T-top, which is a hard top. So that's also an upgrade as well with the speakers up in here. Bring you over to the helm here. You've got this Simrad display. Once again, that's something that's going to come with the FSH H series that you're not going to get standard with the rest of the series. You've got a phone charging station right there, and then of course you've got your joystick right here, which is the big benefit of purchasing this one. If you've ever used joystick before, or if you haven't, it's a game changer. It makes docking super easy. Especially if you're a first-time boater, or you're just learning how to, or you're an experienced boater and you're tired of having to work at the docking situation. That is a huge game changer. So I'll go ahead and bring you over here. So want some more space standing up and fishing? Go ahead, put that down right there, and you've got plenty of space right back here. You've got another live well right here. And before I forget, I'm also going to show you that you've got a raw water and a freshwater wash down on this boat. More rod holders back here, and just overall you can tell a ton of space. This is a great boat, whether you're an experienced boater or you're brand new to it. Once again, my name's Jacob from MarineMax, and can't wait to see you.